Oh, I heard that. That knocked it out.
If it cut off like that, it probably needs a glow plug.
What's that?
It probably needs another glow plug.
Yeah, there's a lot of pine needles over there too. That's another good place if you want to do a lot of 360s. Oh, yes! Is that high in the first?
Yeah.
How many RPMs do you have it set to switch to second?
It depends on the terrain.
Right. Yeah, if you were to do a jump right there, that would be pretty high, actually. Because the grass is kind of deceiving. It's about an angle like this.
I had to put duct tape along the inner walls of the tires to stop them from ballooning out.
When it heated up? When it heats up?
Oh, just from riding.
That's what you mean. What's the max for it? Let's say operating max, what is that, 300?
Well, you notice it almost cut off?
Yeah.
It cut off if it gets too high.
So about 290, 300 that area?
I wouldn't want it to get above 280.
Wow, okay, so 280 is the max pretty much. Uh-oh, it just cut out. What was it riding at earlier?
That's about 260, but it doesn't take much for it to... I should have brought the screwdriver because it's running a little loose. You usually want a little bit more smoke than...
And what it's doing?
What it's doing now.
Is it a special screwdriver?
It's just a flathead.
I could have brought one from the shed. Wait, here you go.
240.
Should be a flathead in here. Different size bit on this side. Or that one right there. See if that's big enough. There's another one there too if it's that's too big or too small. Out of fuel? Wow. No kidding. No wonder why it cut off. It wasn't because it was overheating. It's because it just basically got too hot. I mean, too much fuel and used it all up. You said the mixture was too lean then?
Well, it'll do that if the mixture's it leans out because the pressure in the tank once it,
If it's too small, you can open the handle up. Better? Totally forgot I had this with me. Where'd it go? There you go. Oh yeah, look at that. I have a friend, Mike in California. He'll be extremely jealous when he sees this video. Because he broke his, actually. What happened?
reverse gear.
Yep. Apparently this terrain's a little too much for that gear, or the gear was already weak. Yeah. Here, let me see something. Reverse. Yeah, grip. It's not getting that much traction going backwards. Were you having problems with it before?
No, but it's common. I have extras. They're not home,
What is it, plastic gear or metal gear?
Plastic.
That's why. But then again, you don't want metal gear either, because that gets hot in there. And you have to oil it.
Well, if it's metal, then you got, like, you have the metal clutch bell on the end of the engine.
Mm-hmm.
But
if you were to get a metal transmission, you'd have to have oil in it to oil it. That means transmission oil, which means more money.
it gets better traction out there than on the grass.
We're here or back there?
Like it switched to second.
Yeah, because the grass is shorter. It's not have to chew through all that grass. See how short the grass is over here? That's why. There's almost no grass here, so it just churns right through it like it was on asphalt. Not bad?